Hi friends, today we are going to discuss mensuration. So in this, the definition of the mensuration is it is a branch of mathematics which studies the measurement of geometrical figures. So the geometrical figures are 2D shaped and 3D shaped geometrical figures. What are the measurements? The measurements are length, perimeter, area, and volume. You have to find the length perimeter, area, and volume of 2D and as well as 3D shaped geometric figures. In these zero dimensional figures, so zero dimensional there is a point. A point has no length, no breadth, no thickness. So that is called zero dimensional figure. Next, then after one dimensional figure. Suppose for example, so AB. The length is about 10 centimeter. This is called a one-dimensional figure. One example of one-dimensional figure is line segment. We can find its length by using the scale. So how we find coming to the two-dimensional figure? So for example, we can take a rectangle. This is the length and this is the breadth of the rectangle A, B, C, D. How do we calculate it? It's when two-dimensional figure we can find area and as well as perimeter. So how we calculate the area of this rectangle? Suppose I'm making a line segment length is yellow. By using scale we can find. I'm taking another line segment AC whose length is double and L. So how we should define the area? The space occupied by boundary line segment is called area. So here line segment, how much space enclosed by this line segment? Here. Coming to here, how much the space enclosed by this line segment? Yes, 2 here. Now this is the first AB. Next, after that, I am arranging BC. This length also. So how much the space occupied by these two line segments? L plus L, 2L plus 2 is similar. So this is the area. Here we are taking 2L, 2. So the area becomes 2 into L. So coming to the rectangle area. So this is the length. In place of 2, we can write breadth. So area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Now, perimeter of the rectangle. The definition of the perimeter is sum of all its sides. So, in a rectangle A, B, C, D, rectangle with opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is A, this is also B. Here, similar. So, here, perimeter will be equal to, therefore, we have the sum of all sides with AB, then BC, then B, then E. So, the length of AB and both are here. And BC and then A and 12. So, now we have 2L plus B. That is equal to 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle. So what is the formula to calculate the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. The perimeter of the rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B. No, okay.